begins a new chapter to the story of our world. This is Angel and Sarshia, and you're watching Daily News Bulletin from Staff Campus, VM Chatram. Let's see today's top headlines. International news. India has stressed that maintaining peace along the disputed border is essential for stable India-China relation. Authorities are warning about the risk of waterborne disease after flooding caused by heavy monsoon rains. National news. N. Chandrarasan has resigned as a chairman of Tata Sons, one of today's major Indian business headline. 2 people died and 2 children injured after a house collapsed in Himachal Pradesh. Sports news. The first test of Australia series against Bangladesh begins today in Darwin. India's first test against Sri Lanka is scheduled on August 15 in Galley. State news. Tamil Nadu MBBS and BDS counselling process is beginning with special category counselling scheduled in Chennai. Weather news. Tirunelveli is expected to be warm, partially cloudy with breezy conditions developing in the afternoon. There's also a chance of rain. Expected range about 26 degrees to 37 degrees Celsius. That's all for today's news. Stay tuned and have a great day ahead. Thank you.